Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage Videos. I'm getting ready to look at the parts on the 25 Ford 5-window tall T by Lindbergh here. And this is the full kit. We got the chrome tree, which is pretty nice. And the plastic parts. This has the old school plastic wheels. So, there's any case, if I have extra parts with the one I'm missing parts with, I'm going to use the leftover parts from this one onto the other one and try to find a body for that one. But anyways, this is for the 48-hour group build. And I'll be working like uh, I'll be working when it basically starts. So I'm going to try to get some stuff done Saturday and Sunday after I go out and stuff and see where it goes. All right. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a good day.